Hey folks, in this super short tips and tricks video, I am going to recommend Google Alerts, which is a tool that you can use either to get yourself a little digest of information about a certain topic, or if you wanted to direct students to gather some information on the web, this could be a fun way for them to do that. Google Alerts is very easy to use. What we're looking at here is the digest that it sends to your email. This is one that I have turned on about Facebook. So for example, if you were curious about what Facebook is doing in these times, you can see some stories about that. They're working with Carnegie Mellon. They're launching a new app for couples to use with each other amid the lockdown. And so you could do this about literally any topic. To create an alert, you simply go to google.com/alerts. All you're going to do is enter your search term in the Create an Alert About text area, and then you can create some settings for it. So I'm sure this is a very common one these days. If you wanted to create an alert for COVID-19, you can click the Create Alert button. You can see that it's connected to a certain email address, so I keep my alerts connected to my Access email account. And if I click on the options, I can set how often I receive the alert. And I typically do this either once a day or once a week. You can choose the sources. I just have these set to automatic, so it's going to pull everything. You could, of course, fine-tune this to be a little more specific. Language and region. Once you have those set, you can create your alert, and you will begin to receive it. At any time, you can come onto the same page, logged in with your Access account or the email account that you're using, and delete an alert using the delete icon, or you can edit the settings for it using that pencil icon. If you have questions about using this tool, please reach out to us at distancelearning@alamantcc.edu.